Welcome to this video where we're going to explore one of the lesser known but incredibly useful features in OpenSV. Mapping different columns to the same type. If you've worked with CSV files or data processing in general, you know how important it is to have control over how your data is interpreted and manipulated. OpenSV is a powerful library that helps us achieve just that, among other things. In this video, we're going to delve into a specific scenario where you might need to map different columns from your CSV file to the same data type in your application or analysis. This could be due to various reasons, such as inconsistent data formatting, merging datasets with similar but differently named columns, or simply needing to transform certain fields for better analysis. We'll break down what this feature means, why it's useful, and walk through a step-by-step explanation of how you can leverage OpenSV to achieve this mapping. By the end of this video, you should have a clear understanding of not only what this feature does, but also how to apply it in your own project. So, let's dive into the heart of the matter. Mapping different columns to the same type involves telling OpenSV which fields from your CSV file correspond to specific data types or objects within your application. This is particularly useful when you're working with datasets that have multiple fields representing similar information, but are named differently. For instance, imagine you're analyzing a dataset related to sales figures across different regions. Some entries might list the sales under a column called SalesAmount, while others use TotalRevenue. These are essentially the same piece of information, but represented differently due to perhaps different data, entry personnel, or systems. OpenSV allows you to map both SalesAmount and TotalRevenue to a single field. In your application, let's say sales figure. This way, when you process the data, OpenSV knows that these two columns should be treated as one type of information, making your analysis simpler and more accurate. To achieve this, OpenSV utilizes a configuration mechanism where you specify which columns correspond to which types. You can do this programmatically or through annotations, depending on your development preferences and needs. One of the key benefits of using OpenSV for this purpose is its flexibility. It allows for a wide range of data types and transformations, meaning you can easily adapt it to fit various data analysis scenarios. Plus, by standardizing how different columns are mapped to specific types, you ensure consistency in your data processing pipeline. This feature isn't just useful for numerical or text data. It applies across the board. Whether you're working with dates, times, booleans, or custom objects, OpenSV gives you the power to manage and transform them in a centralized manner. Understanding the need recognized when you need to map different columns to the same type, usually due to data inconsistencies or the need for unified analysis. OpenSV's role. Utilize OpenSV as a tool to achieve this mapping through its configuration mechanism. Benefits of standardization. Appreciate how standardizing column types leads to more consistent and accurate data processing. In mapping different columns to the same type is an incredibly powerful feature offered by OpenSV that can significantly simplify your data analysis pipeline. By understanding this feature and how to apply it effectively, you gain more control over how your data is interpreted and used within your applications or analyses. If you found this explanation helpful, please like the video, as it encourages us to create more content on useful topics such as this. If you have questions about OpenSV or any other data processing topic, feel free to ask in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe for regular videos on programming and technology-related subjects. Thanks for watching.